In this video, I'm going to show you how to add tabs in Confluence page. Now, the first thing you want to do once you're inside Confluence, you want to go to the very top left over here where you can see it says apps, and then you want to click on this, and you want to click on explore more apps. Now, once you do this, you want to search for the apps up top, and you want to type in tabs for Confluence. So once you see this, you want to click on this one, which says tabs for Confluence. And then after you do this over here, you will simply have to click on try it free. Okay, so you get a 30-day free trial. So you can simply click on this. And then the first thing it's going to ask you for is you'll have to select your site. And then once you do that, click on review. And then over here, you can just click on start free trial. And of course, this is essentially going to start loading. And then it's going to start yourself a free trial. Now, here it's going to say it's currently adding tabs for Confluence. And then it will tell you when your app has been added. Now, what's very important over here is that once you actually do this, you refresh the website because sometimes it will not add directly. You'll have to just refresh. Now, here, you will have to, after that's done, you'll have to go to one of your spaces over here, and of course, you're going to have to create a new tab or a new page over here. So you have to just create a new page like this. I'm going to just create one, and I'm going to name this one tutorial over here. And of course, this is now how you can use tabs. Now, when these tabs actually get added in here, you'll be able to see them on here when you click on this plus icon to insert elements, and then when you search for tabs up here, you'll be able to see tabs for Confluence. Now, mine still weren't added, and in case that's happening to you as well, what I would recommend is you simply refresh the website like this. And then once it refreshes, you simply just try again. So you go back in here, and then you just click on this plus icon, search for tabs, and then there we go, they are added in here, and you can just start using this. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to click on tabs, and it's gonna kind of become grayed out, and then it's going to basically load into the menu where you can set up tabs. There we go, that's it. Here's the preview, and then here you have kind of this step by step. Okay, so you can scroll through this if you want to, but you can just go to preview as well, and then you can start adding your tabs. So first you have to give it a tab name. I'm gonna give it tutorial 1 over here, and then you can also add an icon if you would like to. You can basically set the text alignment the way you'd like it to be, and then you can also give another tab a name. So for example, tutorial 2 like this, and then you can also add another one. You can add as many as you would like, tutorial 3. There we go. And then, of course, you can just keep adding them as you wish. Now, you can also set the structure over here. It can either be horizontal or vertical like this. And then you can also, of course, set the appearance, what your header style you want to have, and then the accent color down here as well. And after you're done with this, you can select if you want a border or not. I'm going to do add border right now. And after you've customized everything over here, you can just click on save. Now, once you do this, as you can see, your tabs have now been added in here, and you can basically just start typing in whatever you want, and you can basically customize them the way you would wanna. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.